All right, we're going to be working off of our musical alphabet page. One that looks like this. So we're going to be starting with the A string. What we need to remember is we're keeping our instrument high up on our shoulder, chest, chin, so keep it nice and high up, so that our shoulder is doing all the work for us, so that our hand can just do the fingers. That's it. So we're placing the violin right here between this knuckle and this knuckle. Remember, X marks the spot. You can put a little X right here at this crease and little X mark at this crease. So that's where we're going to be holding. And we're going to curl those fingers one at a time to be right on top. Right here. Curl those fingers like so. All right. So number 1 for the A string. A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. So A1, A1, A1. That's what it is. So ready, go. A, B, A, B, A, B, A. Good, let's do that again. Ready, go. A, B, A, B, A, B, A. Good. So now we're going to use 2 fingers on the A string. So we're going to do open A, no fingers, first finger B, second finger C. So I'm going to do A, B, C, B, A, B, C, B, A. Okay? Ready, go. A, B, C, B, A, B, C, B, A. Good. Now we're going to do 3 fingers on the A string. We're going to do open first. Then the first finger is B, second finger is C, third finger is D. So A, B, C, D, C, B, A, B, C, D, C, B, A. That's what we're going to do. Ready, go.